Welcome to HCG. My name's Josh. I'm here with
the Frag
and
Atlas,
and we are going to play some Towerfall Ascension.
Just got burned.
What? Such a good artist. All right.
Do these make any difference?
No.
Except I can't use him.
Yep. That part's annoying. Make sure my beer is not blocking the camera here. All right. Let me make sure chat's on top here. Hey, what's up, Jessa? I assume that's your wife.
Yep, that's my job.
Hey, Jessa.
Is it better? Can you hear us this time? Because we
can
might
you hear us?
Hopefully fix the audio.
We have a lot of background.
Enthusiasm comes through.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
All right.
No, here we go.
Uh,
I'm player 2, right? I hope so.
I don't remember.
I'm gonna jump straight up. Okay, we're good. Oh, what are you doing?
What did I just do? I killed myself somehow.
What are you doing?
man, you guys suck.
I killed myself somehow.
Can you have -1?
What happened?
You fell through the arrow.
No, one of the purple things fell.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're lucky you can't have negative points.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Yeah, I got them before.
Ah! Sons of bitches!
Nice try, buddy.
Good, just sounds good.
Oh!
So I guess we should mention I'm the green one.
No, I'm the blue one.
I'm the guy who just died.
Okay.
And nailed to the wall.
I don't want that to be how I'm known, though.
It is known.
So yeah, this is Towerfall, which is a really fun little game.
Nope, that didn't work.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Nice
Oh, why
shot.
did I do that?
I don't even have to
Nicely
kill
done.
Frag. He just kills
God,
himself.
why did I do that? God damn it. As it was falling, I was like,
I wish there was
negative
some way that
points,
you would have known.
negative
Well,
skull.
yeah, but he's saying negative as in you can't be below 0.
Oh.
Oh, that was.
We're killing each other.
Josh is over there like, I hope I don't hit this spike ball.
We're like, hey.
It doesn't do me any good, though. Surviving
Yeah.
doesn't help. I'm in last
You gotta
place.
get a kill.
Aw.
Fuck. That was a good shot. Oh, it's all slow motion. Oh!
Oh!
How did that happen?
It's because he was still technically in his
Oh.
slide animation.
Oh, that's right.
That's right. This game's bullshit.
Oh, how did I kill
Oh.
myself?
I thought I was in the upper right corner.
Fuck.
Oh shit. Gotta go. Focus. Oh, you can jump up.
Oh! Kiss that.
Right
buddy.
into the arrow.
We can jump up.
Ooh, he's on the board.
This is no gang beast. Oh, come on.
Oh, why did I do that?
Mario with your ass.
Do, bam!
Followed it by a double tap.
Ah,
Thank you. Focus, going.
God, I fell right into it.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh, Mario'd again.
yeah, that's really fun. I should just Mario him every time.
Just shame. It's like the shame kill.
Damn it, I didn't even jump. I just walked across.
Now I'm in last.
Yeah.
Oh, no!
Hello. Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Try to Mario him again?
I'm trying.
Fuck.
I'll just fucking rocket him. Or machine gun him, I should say. Blink. Oh, that almost got me.
That was a good shot.
That would have been terrible. Die twice from the same, or get hit twice by the same arrow.
Oh! I was trying to run away from
Oh, double kill!
Damn Mario.
I was trying to run away from you, Zach.
Oh yeah, you did. Josh is getting too far ahead.
I know.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Who's there?
My brother.
Oh.
No, don't you put that all bullshit on me.
Oh!
Cairo plays this game too.
I knocked my own shield off me.
He is stupidly good at this game too. It drives me nuts. Oh! Nice.
I don't know how I won, but I did. Oh, I
What's
think
up, Atlas?
Hey!
Oh, I got it.
Oh man, P2 is killing it. Oh, I'm P2. I'm killing it. Woo! I'm dying.
Oh, shit. God damn it.
I really love your technique. I really love that. If I say the word 30 times over, suddenly I'll win.
Whatever, even game points.
That is true.
Oh, I like them apples.
How'd I die?
Hey, I don't even know how you died, but I'll take it.
What happened?
I hope it was mine. Please be mine. Please be mine.
Oh my god!
You gave a point.
Fuck y'all.
I'll give that one to you. I'll give it to you.
I was like, I'm just gonna grab the armor and I'll be good. Wait, I'm dead. Jackass.
Oh, nice. Nice little trench warfare thing you got going. Uh-oh. Shit got real. Be offensive. You have a shield.
True. I should have got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to get too cocky, too.
That's true.
Did I get the kill for that, though? No.
Oh, son of a bitch.
You got worse.
Oh, how did I not jump on you?
Get the fuck out of here.
No! God damn it!
Yeah.
Fuck me out of here.
That was this guy.
Damn it. If I chose a direction,
I'm really good at duck hunt.
Oh, shit.
What's that?
No!
I'm so good at doing that to you. Oh!
You're not good at Pac-Man, though. Because you ran into him.
I was trying to jump on top of him. I didn't know if there'd be room
In the
enough for me to do
corridor?
that. Yeah. Why not?
That's why.
All right, here we go.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I almost got killed there.
Oh! Oh, I love slow motion, actually.
Oh my god! I didn't even expect that to do anything! It was just a pot shot. Just ran into it.
God damn it.
Oh, wait. We're gonna do that first.
Oh god, yes!
Oh.
That's safe forever now.
Oh, god damn it. Why did I do that? How many times I gotta see this?
Slow-mo.
I was going for the chest and I saw it at the last second. Oh, I've got no
I
excuse.
was like, no way someone could get hit by that. Oh! Oh, this is intense. Frag, you little shit.
What?
Going just for the Mario kill.
Alright.
Shit got real. Oh, and the Mario kill!
Oh Uh-oh, Josh. I'm catching up.
I see that. I don't like it.
Oh, yeah, I'm green. I thought I was pink for a second there.
Oh shit!
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was new.
I was like, I'm gonna get out of here, I'm gonna get out of here, I'm gonna get...
I hit you with an arrow.
Oh, did Josh get a kill?
That's because I got jumped up on the lava.
And then
Damn
I...
it.
Oh,
No,
I
I
didn't
was the
lose
only one
it
who
either.
lost.
Huh.
That's, I don't understand. Uh-oh. Good luck with that.
Wow, that's intense. I thought it would keep coming up. Frag's just trying not to get up.
Shit, I have arrows.
Yeah, that was close. That was very, very close.
God damn it!
Nice shot.
Slide down. Let it go at the right time.
Just... Oh, man.
Doing so bad. Oh.
Oh, you jumped on me. Son of a bitch.
Yes! I got both of you.
Not on purpose.
Got super lucky with that last one.
I'll take it.
Here we go, here we go.
I don't know what that does, but...
Apparently that.
God, why do I run? I have
know, you-
armor.
Well, you had armor.
Shut up. What?
Yeah.
What happened?
You know what I do? I just move down and I hit you. I grab the ball thing so it does that. But look at this. Bink!
Yeah, I had an arrow out and I just didn't let go of it fast enough.
Alright, alright.
What?
Oh, please hit Frag.
Oh! Yes! Oh!
Did you kill yourself?
It didn't count. It didn't count. Yes! It did count. Oh! Bullshit.
When did I kill you?
Wow, that was fast.
Oh, god damn it, Frag.
You had fucking 3 arrows
No,
on
I
you.
didn't.
Yes,
Oh, I
you
did. I could have won. I thought I was out of
I
arrows.
was like, oh my god, you're gonna hit me with arrows.
Damn, that was my bad. I was trying to insult you.
Oh my god. Let's do that again.
Champion.
Alright, what do I got here? 3 self, worst accounting, most reckless, most evasive.
Koala bubble breaker? Yeah.
Least composed. Who needs arrows?
Freaked out a little bit too much.
Oh god damn it.
Just rematch. Oh, we're just changing
So we need a different map. Yeah. Backfire. Here we go. That map was kind of fun. I like that one. Mostly because Frag killed himself twice with the little
3
things.
times. I killed myself 3 times.
Don't tell people that.
You're right.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa, I don't know. Oh, Frag killed me.
I see the arrows and I don't do anything about them.
Oh yeah, that's it,
Oh, here
bro.
they come. Oh, no, never
Man, I
mind.
should-
See, I didn't know what happened to you.
You shot me. I should have stood back for a second.
Did I shoot you?
Yeah. You were trying to shoot Josh, but...
Oh,
man.
Yeah. That was awesome.
You can kill yourself.
God damn it.
Oh.
My god, those explosive arrows. I gotta get away from those.
And I didn't even kill you with the explosive one. Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
It's go time, bitches. Oh, I'm first now? No.
Totally thought that was gonna get you.
Shit.
Oh! No!
Oh, wow.
Jump into it!
That was a good one. You killed him with the
Thank you,
arrows on
thank
the
you.
palm.
And then blow up his corpse afterwards. And hit him twice. You're not coming back as a zombie, buddy.
The double tap.
Oh, I got lucky there. I totally did. What? I got stuck on that.
Yeah, you grab on the edges.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Well, I still got Frag. Nice. You notice how it auto curves kind of towards too?
Yeah.
Helps compensate. Otherwise, this game would be really ridiculous. Oh, that was the worst death.
Oh god.
That turns you invisible while you're not moving, but it doesn't matter. What happened?
What happened?
I shot one arrow. I don't know how the second arrow came out. The second
I
arrow
was like,
came
shit, I'm
out.
getting ready, let's do this, and then no one got a point that round. Wow.
Oh god. Fucking A.
Oh,
Yeah.
I should have boosted.
Did you like my
for
exploding arrow over there?
Wow, that was close.
If I would have dashed over, which I didn't think about.
2 points.
Yeah, I won.
Oh, why did I shoot that?
I'm guarding this thing. Damn it.
Good.
Oh, god damn it! Who got me on that one? Because you guys
That
were
was
really
me.
close to each other.
That wasn't me. Ooh. Fuck.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
there's no,
No
way
way,
we're getting
yeah.
that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I'm doing shitty now.
Yeah. Now?
Hey,
No one saw the other one.
I almost killed you last
Josh and I
time.
are tied now. Go! I could have sworn both my arrows hit you.
Oh, nice.
I could have sworn both my arrows hit you to knock you out of that shield, though. Oh well.
I think there's a little delay in between arrows.
Oh, because I double tapped him and I was hoping
Yeah.
that would do it.
At least I think so. I couldn't tell you. It could have been that they knocked each other.
Oh! No! I was like, get with the exploding bomb arrow. That was beautiful.
Here we go.
We both got them at the same time.
Oh, that was beautiful.
That was a good round for everyone but Frag. Oh, nice. Nice weight. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Did I get you?
Yeah, I
Alright.
thought I was going to jump on you and then he shot me.
I didn't know you could duck out of that. I wasn't sure.
How did you do that little... Oh, you can slide on that?
I wasn't sure, so I
Huh.
wanted to experiment.
You mean you press a random button and it
No,
worked out?
shut up.
I got it.
Ooh.
What happened?
Oh,
Oh, well,
scared now.
whatever.
I wanted to jump up. I still don't know how to jump up versus out when you're climbing on the wall. Like I wanted to just jump straight up.
I don't know if you can jump straight up.
Yeah, you can. I just don't know how exactly.
Winner! Here we go.
Whoa. Wow, I did not have any
Gotcha.
arrows left.
That was almost really dumb of me.
Oh!
I got you with the
exploded.
ball.
Yes.
Yes. All right, here we go.
You say it every time.
And every time we go, don't we?
It's true. He's not lying.
God damn it. And it's so much better on the practice runs.
Oh, Mario! Jump, damn Mario! Look at that little circle we did. Like,
Yep.
yeah? Do a barrel roll!
God damn it, Slippy. Thank you.
Wow. I really didn't think you'd be.
I was like, get out, get
That's
out!
some domination right there.
I really didn't think you could get me right over the edge of that.
I didn't think you were going to be able to shoot me. I think you were too busy with him.
Well, I was already dead, so joke's on you.
Don't get by my own arrow. Goal number 1.
No. God damn, I killed myself. God.
Oh!
Nice.
Curved at a bad time.
I got that wibbly wobbly. Bam! It curved at a bad time.
Ouch.
Yeah, that one hurts the most. What hurts the most? Oh, wow.
That kind of hurts a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Yours even popped out too. Look at that. Like yours was notched and then he hit you.
Alright, time to go hunting.
Oh shit! Damn it! I just killed myself.
Oh, don't grab that one, Fire. Are you dead? Oh! Oh, they were dead! Where are you?
I like it. Oh! I don't like it. I don't feel good about this anymore. This game sucks.
I'm making a comeback.
Let's go back to Gang Beast.
Yeah! Mario! Damn it! I got Mario! Luigi!
Luigi, yeah. Come here,
Just
brother.
let that go a second earlier, you would have got shot.
Still ahead of me, though.
Yep.
It's not fair when you kill Frag, though. I mean, if you were playing someone good. Oh! Please don't kill me. I was just joking.
What? Oh, you hit me with a bomb.
Yep. Shit.
Oh!
You wouldn't notice. I was hoping you
I think I
wouldn't
just
notice.
killed myself.
Good. I'm glad my corpse stopped the bomb and killed you.
Let's see if it counts. I'm curious.
Yes!
Yes!
Ah, that was a net win for me. You gotta slow down. You shoot too many arrows.
God damn it! What was that little thing I got? The little orb.
Darkness.
Oh, is that all?
You little
Oh, you
fucking
never
chicken.
hit
Get back there.
double tapping? Fuck, nice curve though.
The curve? This curve? The one that shot by me? That one?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, no. Ooh, Frag, stop dying to him.
Sorry. God damn it!
Boom! Taking advantage of Frag.
I demand a rematch. Alright, one more time.
Yep, this is our last one,
Alright.
and we'll switch over to Crawl.
Vendetta
Crawl.
Award,
I'm terrible at
Usurper
that game.
Award, Wait till
where'd
the
it go?
Party Award.
Most prepared, ready
Comeback
set,
queen.
nice.
That was. I did have a
Yeah, that
comeback
was
there.
you. Yeah.
Alright, alright.
Alright, we did Flight, we did Mirage. Let's do Thornwood. That sounds promising.
Oh god.
Should be lots of traps for Frag to kill himself on.
Yeah, no shit, right?
Here we go. Huh?
Oh yeah, I'm green. I forgot I'm green. I was looking at pink again.
I'm having problems getting to the damn item. There we go.
What?
Oh, you're gonna like this.
What the hell is that?
Bramble arrows.
What do those do?
Hurt you?
Really?
Like that? Because I'm
Oh!
dumb? Yours are green. That's way deceptive. I didn't even see them.
The fact that they're flashing didn't give it to you?
Shh.
Boom,
Daddy's busy.
boom. Good start.
Good practice round. All right, let's
Good
play for
practice
real.
round. Oh, I think you jumped on me.
Oh, I did jump on you.
I gotta get in the practice of not getting too close to people. Oh, that's a nasty arrow.
Yeah, that one's
Yeah,
mean.
that's worse than the bombs.
I was pretty
on.
proud. I was like right here, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, the double tap.
Shit.
It's not really a double tap. No! Oh!
Oh,
Ah! Sorry.
This is not fair.
oh!
I killed you with the wings!
Is you fair or you won?
Hey, I started just jumping, taking advantage of the level. Pac-Man-ness of this game.
I gotta get on the board. God damn it! I'm not on the board.
Ooh, that's a good job.
Yeah, that was a close hit for me. Look at this. Oh, not that one, obviously.
Oh, right over your head.
Yeah.
Wow.
I ducked for just a fraction and it worked.
Oh!
Yeah.
I was trying to go up there myself. Alright, your position is given away.
Alright, where are you, asshole? I have all the arrows, come on.
Oh! That was so close.
Did I get myself again?
Oh my god, tell me it counts. Tell me it counts.
You were on the board for a second.
Oh my god, I feel like crying.
No. Oh, I didn't.
Shit.
Oh.
Frag won. Oh my god, what happened?
Did I?
I didn't even know.
Please don't die, please don't die.
Hey, look at me, look at me. I'm about to fall on the
Oh wow, you're about to get mine. That was a big point for me.
Oh.
Fuck, I'm out of arrows.
Oh my god. Damn it.
You jumped into
You
it.
fall in the brambles?
Yes, I jumped
Oh,
into
I
the
see.
brambles. It wasn't even a falling
Oh
animation.
shit, he's too behind.
Oh. This game is harsh. Where were you aiming, Frag? Ooh, nice. Oh!
I thought I got you. I thought I got you. I don't know
did.
what happened there. Oh yeah.
You did, yeah.
I
And
don't
then
know.
you hit that.
Damn. Oh, I got both kills though.
Yeah, I got one. That's all that matters to me is I got one.
Oh! That arrow was on your butt.
Oh!
Oh, I thought I had-
Oh!
Yeah.
that was close.
This game is so like my heart is beating like a million miles a minute. Like this is ridiculous. I mean, it's not Gang Beast level by any means.
Why did I do that?
Because you felt bad for me and wanted to help me.
Shut up.
I really appreciate
That's
it, buddy.
not it.
Oh! That can happen.
What do you think was gonna
Somebody
happen?
somebody died
The
from a
slow motion drop, like you were literally the guy from Austin Powers that fell the wall. No!
It's just a new mechanic, man. I just hadn't thought about it. It makes sense, you know, after it happens. Oh,
It made
crap.
sense to me before it happened, but you know, that's just me.
Ooh. He's out of arrows, Frag. Kill him. He's
I have arrows again.
He's giving him a bunch of arrows, and you lost all yours.
Ah, I got one.
Got it.
I got two.
And I went to go take it. I want my fucking arrow back.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Catching up to
oh.
You gotta start pulling ahead. Frag, you're surrounded. Whoa. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, you just
God.
killed yourself.
Ridiculous. This game's done. Oh, nice. Nice.
fell down.
I was jumped in my.
I fell down the hole and I didn't notice that. Yeah, he was just gonna fall right behind me.
Nice. You did almost jump into it twice.
Oh hey, I got John.
You got these eyes. Got
I got
Josh.
the
In the
guy.
woods and the
I got
flies and
that
the.
thing.
Oh,
Fuck! I totally had the ambush on you. How did I not fucking fall through with that? Whoa! Oh man, Frag, you're getting lucky.
Oh no! What am I doing?
Oh shit!
Damn it!
Wow!
Those brambles were the long con. Sent them there for later.
Oh shit! Josh is in the lead.
Shit, yeah, I'm in the lead, son.
Oh, what the fuck?
What game are you playing, buddy?
I'm really slipping now. I was pretty far ahead.
I can't believe you didn't take any effing damage.
I was like, where are you?
Oh, it goes away eventually.
Yeah.
Alright, where are you? I was like, I have my shield. I'm gonna take the first hit. I'm gonna.
And you did. You took the first hit, to be fair. Followed very briefly by the second hit.
Crap, I'm in third.
God,
now.
Zach, what are you doing?
I know, right?
Atlas, you're not pulling your weight.
I don't know what game you're playing, but he's not on our team. Oh! Should have waited a little bit. Ooh.
Oh!
Double
I'll take
KO.
it. I'll
Nice.
take it.
Frag got ahead in that one, though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Underdog coming back.
Just sliding both. I like that. Wow.
I know.
Frag's in first. You're first, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I need to get that sliding thing down more.
Oh, God damn
I
it.
could take advantage of that now.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm pretty proud of that.
I feel like I'm
dodge.
representing people here, and I'm like, come on.
You're
representing.
representing-
I feel like I'm representing people. I'm like, let's do
This
it.
was for Ohio. I'm really sorry. What do you mean representing people?
I don't know, man. I don't even know where I am right now. What?
I told you.
Apparently I died.
I didn't know you were there, but I told you.
I was like, my controller just vibrated. What the hell?
Oh! I should have tried shooting you and jumping on
I
you.
do not like that one where the screen moves. at
Yeah,
all.
it's really
I am.
disappointing.
Yeah, even I'm like, where did I go?
All right.
Oh my gosh!
Yes.
We're so fucking serious. That's what I love about it.
I'm really not doing good anymore.
Oh my god.
I'll take it.
Wow.
I didn't know I had bramble arrows.
What does this arrow do?
Salad.
I'll take it.
What?
Fuck. Here's Frag's favorite.
Oh shit, I'm out. Hey, I'm not out anymore. Thanks.
Oh!
Yay!
I tried to grab it and shoot up at the same move, and that was not the maneuver.
Hey, I'm out. No thanks.
Oh, you even
Oh my
caught
god.
mine, too.
Oh my god, he's in the lead.
This game is intense. Like,
Frag
it's so
represent.
quick.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Thanks.
Oh my god. Oh no, you did.
That was totally on purpose, by the way. I'm like watching you guys fight from up there. I'm like, I'm just gonna jump on you.
Amazing. I get props. I'm in last now, aren't I?
No, we were tied.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, I'm green.
Shit.
Well, Frag's not winning this game. Oh my god! I just
Boing,
gotta
boing,
yeah, I
boing.
want to get out from under here, and I
I
didn't
hit
go
you.
left.
I jumped you 3 times. Boing, boing, boing.
Yeah.
Alright,
Still behind Frag. Please hit him. Aw.
Oh, god damn it.
Oh fuck!
That almost got me.
I
killed.
saw it.
Where I
I
landed. Look,
saw that.
watch this. Like,
Oh
my god.
You think you
Pixel.
panicked for a moment.
Pixels. I did. I was like, no.
Far behind.
Oh, come on, Farrad. Come on.
Come on, not fattier. That's what I call myself in my head.
Not bad.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, fuck me.
Just
I don't
let me
know why
get
did
it.
Oh, you were out of
I saw how close I was to my own shit and everything.
That was a reenactment for the audience. You guys are welcome.
I haven't got any points in a while. Come on.
Okay. Here we go.
Fuck! Why am I always?
Oh, god damn it.
Did you give them both to him? Oh, I think you won.
I don't know. Did you?
You
No, did you?
and you.
Wow, you just stood there and took it.
Damn it!
Champion!
Hey, I'm second place. Second place out of like I was at nothing and like oh
That was insane.
Yeah, that was a good
It's
round.
crazy how fast this game really turns around too. Longest shot, that was Frag.
yeah.
Pickpocket
Oh,
award.
Worst
Most compressed.
most prepared.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, that was awesome. All right.
All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. We're going to switch over and play us some Crawl. But for those of you watching on YouTube, make sure to like and subscribe below and check out hardcorecasualgamer.com for reviews, previews, plays. What else?
Don't forget you can watch it live on our Twitch page.
More videos.
More videos. Watch videos. All right. Bye, guys.